If you want to make your videos look sharper and more polished, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to upscale in CapCut step by step. This is a really useful trick if you have a lower quality clip and want to improve the overall look before exporting. Whether you're editing content for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or just a personal project, this can help your footage look cleaner and more professional. If this video helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy editing tutorials. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First, open CapCut and load up the project you want to work on. If you already have a timeline started, just open that project. If not, create a new one so you can add the video you want to enhance. Next, import the video you want to upscale. You can usually do this by clicking the Import button and selecting the clip from your device. Once the video is added, drag it onto the timeline so you can start editing it. Now click on the video clip in the timeline so it becomes selected. This is important because CapCut needs to know which clip you want to apply the effect to. Once the clip is highlighted, look over to the right editing panel. Here you'll see different editing options for the selected video. In that panel, click Video, and then choose Basic. This is where CapCut keeps a lot of the core video adjustment tools, including the enhancement feature you need for upscaling. Once you're in the Basic section, look for the option called Enhance Quality. Turn on Enhance Quality. As soon as you enable it, CapCut will give you the option to choose an enhancement level. Select either HD or UHD, depending on how much improvement you want. HD is a good choice for a solid quality boost, while UHD can give you an even sharper result if your footage supports it. After choosing the level, wait for CapCut to process the video. This part can take a little time depending on the length of your clip and the strength of your device or computer. Don't close the project while it's processing and let CapCut finish applying the enhancement. Once the processing is complete, preview the result. Play the clip back and check the improved quality carefully. Look for sharper details, cleaner edges, and a better overall image. If it looks good, you're ready to keep editing or export your project. And that's how to upscale in CapCut. It's a simple process, but it can make a big difference in how your final video looks. If this tutorial helped you out, please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next CapCut tips and tricks video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.